The West Coast is my favourite place to be a wildlife cameraman. It's a beautiful spot. My name's Hazma Yassin, I'm a wildlife cameraman, and this is Midge, my dog. A few of the tips I can give you if you're starting out in bird watching is get outdoors. If you first turn up to an area, you're not going to see them immediately. Most likely you would have scared them off. So have a bit of patience, wait and see what you can see. But if you can't see anything, use your ears. Use your ears because most of the time I hear the birds before I know they're there, because it's difficult to just keep looking with binoculars. Speaking of binoculars, they are vital. They'll open up a massive world to you when it comes to seeing the birds and enjoying them up close. Birding is all year round, and some of our best birds arrive in the winter from other countries. So if you're nice and warm and you have plenty of food, it allows you the best chance to stay outdoors for as long as possible. And make sure that you go back out as many times as possible to the same patch that you have, because I guarantee you throughout the seasons you will see different birds. So the West Coast is my favorite place to be a wildlife cameraman, but if you want to look at some birds, I have a few more on the list. One of the best places is the Isle of Mull. It's phenomenal. It's where you see our two biggest birds of prey in the UK, the white-tailed eagle and the golden eagle. Another place, South Stack on Holy Island in Anglesey, North Wales. Phenomenal place. You get guillemots, razorbills, shags, cormorants, puffins, gannets. It's the place to be if you want to see seabirds. Bempton Cliffs is also another good place in the Yorkshire coast. Slimbridge is a fantastic spot. It's where one of my birding idols started his career, Sir Peter Scott. He is phenomenal. And finally, I would say WWT Barnes in London. Now, if you're in the hustle and bustle of London and you just want to escape it, go there and you would be amazed at what you can see. You'll see shovelers, you'll see lapwings, you'll see all sorts of waders, and you're probably about 20 minutes from London. One of the best views out there is of a hide where you can see this beautiful array of wildlife, and then in the background you see the skyscrapers of London.